Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will introduce a new swim barrier from ZKTeco, the Saturn-S4000. Meet Saturn-S4000 series, the embodiment of ZKTeco's engineering excellence. Stunning design, lightning-fast swim barriers, and packed with smart features that actually matter. Check out this 23.9-inch LCD display. It turns your entrance into a digital billboard. Furthermore, here are the multiple anti-pinch protections. There are 12 pairs of advanced dToF sensors that watch your every move in real time. Plus 2 extra layers of current detection and mechanical limit stop, prevent any pinching and tailgating, and for ultimate convenience, just snap on ZKTeco's Zophon facial recognition module. No hardware replacement, simply attach the module onto the motor post. That's the Saturn-S4000. Safety you can trust, visuals that impress, and facial recognition in seconds. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. More details are linked in bio. See you next time.